Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be doing a quick comparison between the iPad Pro 11-inch and the all-new Google Pixel Slate. Let's take a look. So you've seen my review on the iPad Pro, the 11-inch. Now we're going to talk a little bit more about this one. This is a 12.3-inch screen. This is the mid-tier model, the $799. It comes with 64 gigs. You have the ability to use your Google Pen with it. This is the Google Pixel Pen. It acts just like a stylus. Now, I will say that I'm used to the Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil is a little more fluid and a little less clicky on the screen and a little more responsive. That's one of the downfalls to this pencil. On the other side, I like the screen real estate. You get this nice 12.3-inch vibrant screen. This is a it's a crazy number of pixels. It's like 6 million pixels built into this screen. Video is just crazy smooth and crazy vibrant. You get nice colors. Up top, you have a fingerprint scanner. Now, this fingerprint sensor allows you to actually open up your tablet just like that. Lay your finger on there, it comes on. Perfect. Works good, no lag in it. You get this nice midnight blue color. Now, it only comes in this one color as of right now. But once again, that screen real estate is one of the best things about this tablet. You can opt in to get the keyboard that latches onto the bottom just like that. You have speakers on the front. They're both front-facing speakers on each side. No headphone jack on this one. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack is being done away with on all these tablets. You now have one USB Type-C right there. You get tons of plug and play options with this tablet. Like I said, you can use hard drives, these USB dongles, basically anything that you can plug into a laptop or a computer, you will be able to plug right here in this. For $799, mid-tier model, 64 gigs, this is a pretty decent Chromebook type device that's going to be really good for the average consumer and everyday use. So now we are going to move on to my favorite tablet that I've been using on a daily basis. This is the iPad Pro, the 11-inch version. Now, I will say this is probably the best tablet I've had in a while. I'm loving the fact that we have Face ID on here. I like the vibrant colors on this screen. Apple Pencil makes it a big plus. This base model is going to run you $800 for 64 gigs, and then you go up from there to about $1,000. But I have been enjoying this tablet. Apple Pencil is buttery smooth. It's going to be really hard to beat the Apple Pencil. It gives you a lot of functionality. You actually have gestures with the Apple Pencil. Screen off, you're going to tap. You're going to be able to do that. If you double tap, you change between your pencils and your eraser. Double tap again, you get that cool little feature right there. Unlock Face ID. You cannot go wrong with that. But right here, you're just lifting your screen up and you are looking at it. Both are great devices in their own aspect. For $799, you can get either one of these devices in a 64 gig configuration. Over here, iPad Pro 11-inch version. Over here, the 12.3-inch Google Pixel Slate. Over here, you're going to get a little bit more productivity just because a lot of the computer apps that work, or a lot of the computer programs that run on a regular laptop, will actually run over here. Versus over here, you're going to get more out of entertainment. Productivity is minimal. You can do video editing, you can do sound recording, things of that nature. But if you're looking for a hardcore production machine, this is going to be your best bet. I've been using this one for a few days now. I'm really liking the flow, the workflow of it. It's just all around a mean production machine. Two great tablets from two great companies. Over here you have Google, over here you have Apple, but now they both have two great machines. So 64 gig, 12.3-inch screen, $799. You have the choice to use expandable memory on this one. You also have the pen with this one. You can use plug and play option with both of these devices. Both have good speakers, but iPad's speaker quality is way better, way more superior than the Google Pixel Slate. For productivity, you're going to win out over here. For entertainment usage, you're going to win out over here. So it just depends on which ecosystem you are going to like the best. Hope this is able to help someone make up their mind. Please subscribe. Please give me those thumbs up. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.